RSF Plus for the combined treatment of wastewater treatment plant effluent and combined sewer overflow. The RSF Plus is located close to a wastewater treatment plant and its stormwater basin. The dimensions of the RSF Plus are based on the size of the connected sewer system. At the wastewater treatment plant, a flocculation filtration downstream the second clarifier is mandatory to reduce the amount of suspended solids and thus to prevent clogging of the RSF. During dry weather periods, the effluent of the wastewater treatment plant is discharged to the RSF Plus as final treatment step. The RSF Plus is divided into 3 segments which are fed alternately to maintain aerobic conditions in the filter medium. During the feeding of segment 1, segments 2 and 3 are dry. Each segment has 2 distribution channels. Water entering the filter is distributed within the channels up to a certain level and then flows via holes into the filter surface. In this way, homogeneous feeding of the entire filter area, even for small wastewater volumes, is guaranteed. The filter medium consists of sand, to which calcium carbonate is added to stabilize the pH. The water percolates through the filter medium where biological and physico-chemical treatment occurs. The feeding period of each segment amounts to 24 hours. The purified water is collected in the drainage layer and discharged into the receiving river. While segment 1 dries out, feeding of segment 2 takes place. In contrast to segment 1, granular activated carbon is added to the filter material to improve sorption capacities. 20% by volume are added to the uppermost and 30% by volume to the lowermost layer. While feeding of segment 3 begins, segment 2 dries out. 20% by volume of granular activated carbon is added to the uppermost layer. In contrast to segment 2, 40% by volume are added to the lowermost layer to study the influences of different GAC concentrations on the treatment efficiency. After 24 hours of feeding, segment 3 will dry out, while the dry weather feeding cycle restarts. In the case of heavy rain events, the wastewater treatment plant effluent is discharged directly into the receiving river, and the sewer overflow is treated by the RSF Plus. For this purpose, the entire filter area is used. After the event of overflow, dry weather operation resumes. While heavy rain falls, nutrients, heavy metals, and suspended solids are reduced from the outflow of the stormwater tank. The treatment during dry weather focuses on the reduction of organic micropollutants. It thus offers a near-natural alternative to a technical 4th treatment step at wastewater treatment plants. A first demonstration site will be installed at the wastewater treatment plant Rheinbach in North Rhine-Westphalia.